Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to exchange your joystick control on your Malisa Mobility electric wheelchair. So first thing needs to be done is there are like zip ties that the joystick cable is tied to the main frame. So you need to cut those zip ties. So I already cut this part. Actually, before doing this, you have to disconnect the battery. So let's start with this, disconnect the battery. And then after that, cut those zip ties. I already cut this area. And also, let's cut this one too. So it's free all the way, the cable. And then right now we're gonna disconnect from the motors. So there's this connection type where you just need to unlock this or disconnect this, just like this. You can also use flathead screwdriver. Let's do this. And then so you need to push this locking plastic here, and then you need to pull the connection. Yep, it's unlocked. The battery is already disconnected, so this is ready to be taken off from here. Let's just take off from this side. We just need to unscrew these two screws. Those are Phillips head. I don't know if you know this, but the provided screwdriver is double-sided, so you can just turn it and make it Phillips head. Let's unlock. It's just a little bit tight, but once it's loose, it's just coming off easily. Don't lose the screws. Let's do the other side. So just by hand I took out the two screws and the joystick control is out. So this is the new joystick controller that we're gonna put on the wheelchair. So first we will start with putting this here, and then we will just do the wiring. So let's start. This process is super simple. We took out two screws from here. We're just gonna put them on. Just screw this in. Yep, with the flathead screwdriver. And then after that, there is this cable holder here. So we will guide through this to this area here, and then send it to the back side. And then let's keep the safety belt out of the way. So it's coming here. So as you can see, there is only like 3 ends. So the one with labeled with left, it needs to be the left motor. So the motor is labeled with left also, or it's the left side when you sit on the wheelchair. So this is the left. So let's connect that. And this is the right. So let's connect that. And this is the battery connection. So let's connect that. Before moving on, let's just turn on. Yep, this is turned on. Yep, go back, right, left. So this is working, that's good. So right now, we just need to do the cabling like to make it look nicer. You need to connect this to the bottom frame here, not the top one. The reason is when it's unfold, this goes up, so it's better if you just put this, I mean, you should do it that way. So let's start with putting a zip tie. I have some here, I got it from Home Depot. So let's just do one here. So let's just leave this connection here. I'm gonna fold this side like this. That's a little bit longer. Put this. So that's done. And one last step, I'm gonna do this from this side, pretty secure. Yep, we put this one too, and then cut the extra parts of zip tie. And that's it. Now you successfully exchange your joystick on your Malisa mobility electric wheelchair.